Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Apple ID on the device or iCloud. So you can access stored data. Once signed in, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and check iCloud Backup. Note the last backup date. Also make sure whether iCloud Photos is enabled. This changes where photos live. Do this now so you know if photos are in a backup snapshot or synced via iCloud Photos. That distinction determines the next steps you'll take. Next, look for your pictures directly. Open the Photos app on the same Apple ID or go to iCloud. And choose Photos to see synced images. If you don't see them there, they may be inside an iCloud backup instead. Backups are snapshots, not the live library. Once you identify where they are, decide. Restore the backup to the device or use a backup extractor on a computer. Also set download and keep originals, so you retrieve full resolution files rather than thumbnails. Finally, perform the chosen retrieval. To fully restore backed up photos, erase the device and restore from iCloud backup during the setup process. This reinstates the snapshot. Alternatively, download individual images from iCloud. Or extract them from an encrypted backup on your computer with Finder or iTunes tools. Make sure to keep the same Apple ID. If photos don't appear, check recently deleted. Confirm enough iCloud storage and the backup date, and sign out and back in as a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.